Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 460 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1972 k30 4x4. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Started with the late model block, one-piece rear main seal, 4-bolt main, double roller timing chain in there, brand new balancer, correct water pump for the 72 k30, roller lifter camshaft. We have the aluminum cylinder heads on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, valve covers are on there, aluminum intake manifold. We have the thermostat housing, thermostats installed, extra water ports for any coolant sensors. We have the quick fuel carburetor on there, throttle return spring and bracket and throttle cable ball, correct oil pan for the k30, brass freeze plugs installed, MSD ignition coil. We have the small cap distributor in there. It's real important for firewall clearance right there on the k30. Standard flywheel on there, proper balance and tooth count. Pilot bushings installed, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, Taylor ignition wires in black, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. High flow fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel line with the gas filter installed, chrome fuel line up to carburetor, electric choke wire. So this way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory, a complete turnkey custom built engine ready to go. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes in the stand. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, carburetor will be fully adjusted and set, timing will be set. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.